Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a headlight assembly to replace headlights and running lights on a 2005 Isuzu Ascender 4-wheel drive. First thing you'll have to do is, with a 10mm socket, is remove this bolt here and this bolt here. They're both the same one, but on this one right here you'll have this piece which sits in that slot and is held in by the bolt. Remove that, move this out of the way. You also have to pull up on this tab and this tab here, which are held on by that little rubber bolt back here, or retaining pin. After you take that off, this is where you're at. You have to pull up and out a little bit at the same time. Maybe you have to pull down a little bit. But when you get back here, this is your headlight. Right here. It should be straight up and down. This part facing the ground right here. You twist and you pull it out. With these headlights, please don't touch the actual glass, because if you do, it'll burn them out faster. After you remove this, pull it out slowly, and this has got a retaining clip on it, but I broke mine. And you pull this out, and then you clip the new one in just by pushing it back up. It goes back in the same way it came out. It's at a 45-degree angle. And you twist it up, and that one's in. Now, your running light over here has a little retaining plastic pin on it, but it twists and it comes right out, and it goes back in the same way after you replace the bulb. The bottom one here, this one right here, it's another running light. All this one is a twist, and you pull it out, and you just put it right back in after you put the new bulb in. Now, once you get to that point, everything's been replaced. Take it. You try to line these spots back up. Make sure these are up all the way. Make sure these retaining pins are up all the way, so you can push it back in. And I'm going to pause it right here so I can push it back in. Alright, it's all the way pushed back in. All you got to do now is push down on these clips. Make sure it latches in. Having a little bit of a struggle over here. Pause it again. Alright, those clips are pushed all the way back down. Now, take our bolts that we removed. Start putting it back together. Make sure you get this one sitting in this little clip here. Put its bolt back in. Like I said, 10mm socket. And just tighten her back in. And there you have it. That's how you replace a headlight on a 2005 Isuzu Ascender 4-wheel drive. Hope this video was helpful. And if you would, please like, share, and follow my channel. This is your Auto Junkie. You have a good day.